This dome can turn your garden into a modern paradise, offering 9.6 square meters of space for up to 12 people. It's made from super strong polycarbonate, which is 200 times tougher than glass. The dome is cleverly designed to shield you from rain, snow, and winds up to 100 kilometers per hour. And it's built to last over 10 years, maintaining its fresh look thanks to UV-protected panels. You can set it up in about 4 hours using the included assembly tools. To keep it in good shape, just water it periodically with a hose and give it a wipe. As of May 2023, there were around 110 million refugees and internally displaced people worldwide, a number larger than Germany's entire population. To address this challenge, companies are developing foldable shelters that offer the convenience of tents and the durability of camping trailers. These shelters can be set up in just 11 minutes without tools and can accommodate up to 8 people comfortably. They are versatile and can be used as medical centers or storage spaces. Importantly, for every 11 shelters sold, the manufacturer donates one to refugee camps worldwide. This innovation aims to provide reasonably comfortable accommodations for those in need. This is a Russian-designed hangar used by the Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations for aircraft and helicopter repairs. It's a large structure, measuring 40 by 45 by 22 meters, providing ample space, even for an UN-74 airplane. Setting up this hangar takes about 80 hours, but it comes with pneumatic gates that are 37 by 13 meters in size, along with heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system. The manufacturing company is flexible and can build hangars for various purposes and in different configurations. For example, you could order a gym hanger with customizable shapes and sizes. No foundation is needed for installation, and an automatic blower with intelligent control ensures the right pressure is maintained. Estonian company Maru has come up with a creative idea, a versatile trailer that can expand to triple its size. The XL version of this trailer offers a spacious 30 square meters of space, which can be transformed into various things like an office or a barbershop. Inside, it's well insulated and equipped with a Mitsubishi split system to keep you comfortable, whether it's scorching hot at 50 degrees Celsius or freezing cold at minus 40 degrees Celsius outside. To ensure uninterrupted power, you can add solar panels. Setting up this trailer is a breeze, taking just 8 minutes. You can start it up conventionally with a button or do it remotely using your smartphone. Alaska Defense is renowned for creating tent camps used not only by the U.S. military, but also by NATO forces and international organizations. These tents are highly adaptable, serving various military and civilian purposes such as mobile repair bases, hospitals, kitchens, temporary shelters, and even airplane hangars. They come in various widths from 2.4 to 46 meters and can be customized to any length, accommodating anywhere from 50 to 5,000 people. These tents are durable, lasting up to 10 years in the field and remaining storable for around 20 years. Additionally, Alaska Defense provides all the necessary equipment like heaters and power systems to ensure these camps are fully functional. The founder of Dutch company Flexotels is known as the pioneer of glamping, having a long history in the industry, with rumors that even Napoleon stayed in one. These mobile hotels are a hit at concerts and festivals for several reasons. First, you can transport 20 suites in just one truck. Each standard suite is 7.2 square meters and comfortably accommodates 3 or 4 people. Inside, there are 2 separate rooms with lockable doors, beds, mattresses, power outlets, and cabinets. These mobile hotels are incredibly quick to set up, with up to 150 of them being assembled in a single day, depending on the version you choose. This is an innovative foldable container technology created by a Hungarian company. They've made significant progress with these containers and even showcased them at the 2019 World Ski Championships. These containers are being used in 18 different countries. They are easily movable and can be unfolded with a forklift. When fully unfolded, the CN10 container offers up to 7.2 square meters of space. It comes with 5 220-volt outlets, LED lighting, plastic doors, and windows as standard features. Customers can also add an air conditioner and heater if needed. For larger events, these containers can be stacked on top of each other to create a mini hotel. If you need a 296 square meter, two-story home built in just 4 days, consider Mighty Buildings, an American company. They achieve this incredible speed through robotics and 3D printing, working 3 times faster than their competitors. Moreover, their construction methods generate only 1% of the waste produced by traditional methods. Quality is assured since 80% of their production is automated, and they offer flexibility in floor plans, facade textures, and house colors to match your preferences. The material they use is 5 times stronger than concrete when it comes to tension and bending, yet it's 30% lighter. These houses are built to last over 50 years, and Mighty Buildings has secured over $100 million in financing, making them a reliable choice. This new development streamlines the process of setting up concerts or outdoor events, eliminating long hours of preparation. Now, a truck arrives at the venue and automatically transforms into a 105 square meter stage. This transformation only needs a few finishing touches from workers, like setting up monitors and spotlights, or adjusting the roof's height from 4.3 to 8 meters. As a result, stage preparation can be completed in as little as 3 hours. This innovative product was developed in China, offering a quick and efficient solution for event organizers.